Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Gong to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels. Here we have the channels, our DMs and some tips. From here we have to go in the channel and then tap on Connect Apps. Here is going to open up a list of apps. From this we have to find the AI powered productivity section and then tap on Gong at the bottom. And after the page is loaded, we can just tap on Add to Slack, and it's going to be added to our workspace. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.